Riley, you want your ball? You want your ball? Go get it. Oh. It's cold. What's all that cold stuff? You need the snow. Get your ball. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Get the ball. There it is. Get it. Fetch it up. Bring it to Mama. Good boy. Good boy. You want to go get it again? You want to go get it again? Tinkerbell. Get it. You'd rather eat the snow than bring the ball. Is it good? Is the snow good? No, don't lay down. Come here. You lay down, you're gonna get soaking. Where's it? Where's it? Bring it here. Bring it to Mama. Is it good? Is the snow good? Oh, yeah. Hey! Tink, fetch it up. Bring it here. Let Mommy throw it. You want it? You want it? Go get it. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Go. Let's just run around. Yeah. You a good boy? Tinker, are you a good boy? Yeah.